Hello everyone, another hot day in Iowa, but I wanted to show you a project that I just happened upon in Menards yesterday. They had different colored boards and they were cut to different levels, and then I thought, this is pretty neat. And then right across the aisle, they had the little screw knobs. This wasn't around all of the pull handles. It was up front by the boards. So anyway, I thought, what can I do with that? Because I thought these were super cute. But I need a place to hang wet towels, you know. I guess we all have that problem, what to do with them. So I thought I'm going to make a towel holder. So this piece of board that I picked up at Menards is 23.5 long and 7.5 wide. So I went ahead and put the sawtooth hangers on the back to hold it up. Got that done first. And I went ahead and marked out the places that I want my little faucets to go. Not really a faucet, but anyway. So, here we go. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to drill the holes, and I marked them already. It's supposed to go through that. Yep, it did, but I'll make it a little bigger. screws all in. I'm going to take the front of them. And screw these little faucets on. Just getting these screws screwed back on. I think this is going to look really cute. I love the weathered look of the board. Then I went upstairs earlier and up to my Cricut and made some signs because I thought that would look really cute up here, country bathroom or something like that. I just love my Cricut. And it's so easy to use. Okay, I got the country on there. So cute. And then I'll put the bath on here. Figure out exactly where I want it. I think. And this is so helpful because this paper has lines on it that you can measure and get your things on straight. Okay, got a bath on here. Oh, it looks so cute. I love it. Now I need to go find one of the bathrooms I want to put it in. So I'll be right back. Well, I found a place for it. I put it downstairs in the basement bathroom. I don't have much on the walls down here, but I think it turned out really cute, and it, 10-15 minutes of your time, and it's cute. So I hope you like it. I hope you like the videos. Remember to like it if you did like my video, and subscribe. So thumbs up, and God bless. I'll see you later.